Oh my
Hello, friends!
Hello!
Today is a very special day.
Yes, and it's my birthday! So today we are heading to one of the most natural wonders here in our province of Surigao del Sur,
Tinuy-an Falls. Okay, sit down.
Yeah.
Before you, there was no sun. The light came only from the moon. Before you, I had no fun. The silence echoed in my room. So close, secure, completely pure. You came to be right here with me. Now I'm yours. All yours, baby. Now I'm yours. All yours, baby.
Thank you, love.
You're welcome. Wow!
Ah, this is not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
It's only like start
Yeah.
a little. This falls here.
But it's already beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Very. Soon lunch, but we still didn't breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are hungry.
And the good that here have small current areas.
Yeah.
So now we will eat and later we go swimming in waterfalls.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Native. Ay, kanin.
Soup?
Yeah.
Yeah. We can. I don't have bulalo. Yeah.
Isang tinola po. One rice, yeah.
Yeah. I have tartantalon.
We can take this tartang.
Yeah, we can. Mm-hmm.
Isa po dito, tsaka dalawang torta. Daw. Kanton, ma'am.
Good. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Tortang talong.
Tartantalon, and we have chicken soup, rice, Coca-Cola. Yeah. Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
We had lunch and we rented these life jackets so we can go and swim on this like plot.
Yeah.
What is it?
Bamboo Raft.
Bamboo Raft, yeah, and we can go under this waterfall.
Yeah.
We never had this experience in our life.
I'm excited, but I'm a little scared. What if rocks from dish?
I hope okay.
Oh, I think okay.
Yeah.
People doing it, so you only live once.
Okay.
I could dry out in the sun for you. Follow the deep dark ocean down. For you, I'd build the biggest kite and spend all of my time giggling. Daydreaming is my new middle name. This is not a game for me. Imagining is my new best friend, and ready's all I see. I got a PhD in love. Every step, every breath.
Do you see rainbows?
For you, if there's a fire, I'd build a bridge so that you could get by. Or I'd grow wings so we could fly. Daydreaming is my new middle name. This is not a game for me. Imagining is my new best friend. Ready's all I see.
very good experience.
Yes, it's the best experience.
I very like it.
Me too.
Yeah, first time and so interesting, so like strong this water
Yeah.
falling from this like several like many meters, maybe 30 meters or higher, maybe higher.
Yeah, it feels like storm, like rain, but harder rain.
So strong
So
massage.
strong.
Yeah.
It's like on your head. Yeah, it's very nice.
And very much emotion there. And I didn't think it's so deep.
Yeah,
30 meters,
30
she
meters.
say.
Yeah.
Oh, and we can see what there, yeah, because
the
dark.
water is dark and the light like can't like penetrate
Yeah,
inside.
a little like
Yeah,
light
little,
like go.
you, like going like so, and then after that you can't see what's under your feet.
Yeah, very
And,
interesting.
It's like thalassophobia. I think that's milk phobia with the deep waters.
And I like this blotic, this.
Yeah, I really like this, and I told Boria that maybe someday we will have like so plotic
Yeah.
bamboo raft.
And good today weather, like sunny.
Yeah.
And this water very like white looks, yeah, waterfall, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, today it's not much water because not rainy season.
Yeah, and when rainy season, there is an disadvantage too because the water is not so clear. It's like a little like murky.
Yeah, and I think it will cold.
Yeah.
But today it's very good water, and I
Perfect,
like
yeah.
perfect. It's more like warmer than in Enchanted River. They're cold.
Enchanted River very cold.
Yeah, I hear you sit down, you don't want to go outside.
Yeah.
If my face Morena, if not my face white skin, yeah, I can sit down longer because it will burn.
Yeah. Boris sometimes asks me how to be Moreno. I don't know. You're just born with this skin.
Yeah, I want to be Morena.
I know.
Here in Philippines, it's very good.
He's jealous of my skin, of Filipino skin.
Yeah. And there, near Waterfalls, have like stairs.
Yeah, like stairs,
Yeah.
but it's more like jungle stairs.
Yeah,
like that.
halfway you can go above this waterfall. And there have like several more waterfalls, like
yeah,
smaller.
like because this is a 3-tier waterfall, like 2 smaller and then the big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can also swim above this, but if you're scared of heights, like if you're scared of falling, yeah, better don't try it.
But we will not go today.
Yeah, because we're a little tired,
Yeah.
and this stairs it's like vertical, like so. So you need to like pull yourself up.
Yeah.
In some.
But
in
they're
some areas.
interesting. One time we went there.
Yeah, we went there with our friend before, and it was good.
And it's very good, not far from our house waterfall. I'm happy that in our province have so beautiful waterfall.
Yeah.
Maybe it's almost 50 or 55 kilometers from our house.
Yeah, and just Surigao del Sur, it's a very beautiful province. We really love it here. Yeah,
Yes,
and it's really beautiful here.
very beautiful.
So let's go home.
Let's go. Berlin нашла качели.
Before you, there was no sun. The light came only from the moon. Before you, I had no fun.
drive near Bislig City, and we think we can come to restaurant and eat, or it's cafe or restaurant.
Yeah, I wasn't ready. I thought that we're going home. But okay, we're here already. We don't go to the city very often.
Yeah, just we planned
Yeah, that we will cook tomorrow at our house, and I want to bake a cake for my birthday.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's good that we're here too,
Yeah,
so we can come eat something tasty.
I'm also hungry already.
Yeah.
So when we arrive home, we just gonna rest. So we ordered creamy mushroom soup, steak, and lasagna.
Tasty.
This is my favorite.
Sir, may fishing. Enjoy your candle now. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3. Another one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Thank you so much. Enjoy everything. And then now we need ma'am. Welcome.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
It's the next day, and today we are also going to celebrate here in our house. Several days ago, Boris gave me my birthday present.
Yeah, I presented several days ago because I ordered it in internet. Huh?
Wow. This is what I wanted. Ah,
Uh-huh.
I didn't know you bought this.
You like it?
How much is this?
I will not tell you.
Maybe it's expensive.
Not very.
I told you not expensive for my birthday. Thank
But I don't want cheapest too. So it's
I'm
good.
so happy. What can I do with this?
I don't know. What there have something, no?
Maybe have a picture. Ah, look. Brownies, cookies, pancake, bread, ice cream.
Yeah,
You can do ice cream with this.
maybe. We will try.
And cake. I can bake my own birthday cake.
Yeah,
Yeah. Thank you. I love it.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So for the birthday cake, I am going to make a classic vanilla cake with pastry cream. So the first thing that I'm going to do is the pastry cream because we have to chill it in the fridge for several hours. So here I have milk, butter, sugar, 3 eggs, and cornstarch. And I also have vanilla. So let's start. First thing we're going to do is to separate the egg whites and the egg yolks. One, it's broken. Take the milk. Oh, I'm a little scared. Okay. And mix it. Baby, help. Yeah. I like it. Then put this back in the pan slowly. I think I did it. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Vanilla.
Later, yeah.
Later.
Mhm.
Oh, nice.
Nice. I'm so proud of myself. Not many people do it right on their first try. Yeah. And vanilla. Okay. Enough here. And biscuit again. Try.
Tasty.
That's good.
It will more tasty
When it's cold, yeah.
Mhm.
I did it.
Yeah, very
I'm so
good.
proud of myself. Now I'm going to transfer it into this stainless bowl. Looks so creamy. Wow. And we need to put this plastic on top so it will not like have skin like above it. And put it in the fridge. I'm so excited for my cake. And now we're going to make the cake batter. So this is cake flour that I bought from the internet. We're going to sieve it. We also need sugar. Okay. Crack it in a separate bowl before putting. So if it's bad egg, you can just throw it away so it will not go to your ingredients. Okay, this is good.
I think need to try put it in mixer.
I don't know, but I don't know. I like more with this spatula,
But we need to try
like
maybe.
fold it like so, because mixer he will like mix.
Yeah, he not only mix. He will broke this комочки. We can to try.
So Boris wants to try it with mixer. I don't want, but he wants, so okay.
Okay. We bought special mixer.
But I usually make cake like this with hand
We
because you
try.
have to fold it. You're not mixing it, you're just folding it. Okay,
Just
if it
let's
doesn't
see.
work,
What is if it's work?
okay, take it.
Okay.
You just want to try the mixer. How I can put it now?
Like so. Okay. Oh. Four. Oh, now better, I think. Look. What is? Oh.
Ah! Ay.
Like cream.
Oh, butter isn't supposed to looks like cream. How do you take that?
I think like. Oh,
She's thick.
thick.
Wow.
While cake in the oven, we have time for answer question. We saw many questions and comments. People asked where our Meow-Meow cat.
Maddie.
Yeah. We don't know because sometimes we go from house for all day when we're busy. Like
Because sometimes we go to the farm all day or we go to the beach and just something like that.
yeah.
And one time we were not in the house for like whole day. We fed them morning, and when we came back, like he's gone.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
Muha in that day too, like not in house.
He's not in house too. We found him in neighbor's house.
Yeah.
It makes sense because he's always there because their house like they have puppies. Yeah, and they, sometimes he plays with them. Yeah, but this cat, we don't know.
Maybe he go to his house.
Yeah, because we think that this cat is not like stray or not like street cat, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's not like dirty. He's a little thin, but
Already was not seen. We
yeah,
several
because we
days.
fed him for several days. He was here,
Yeah.
so maybe he just came here like hotel, like vacation.
Yeah. So we don't know. Maybe he will come back. Maybe he not.
Maybe somebody took it. Or,
Maybe somebody
yeah,
took,
We,
yeah.
we didn't see.
Yeah.
But what we just like think that he go back to his house. Like
Maybe.
he went back
Yeah.
to his house. Yeah. So he's not for us. Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
okay. Maybe someday we will have cat too because I like cats.
Mhm.
And now we only have the Muchki, Muha. Are you sad?
I'm okay because we not invite him, like, and we not put him in the chain in our house. Yeah, he
Yeah.
just live here like in hotel.
Yeah, someone said that put him, Maddie, in the cage, so
No, why?
he will get used to living here. But no, it's better that he's free. Yeah, sometimes we put Muha in this like leash and chain because when weekends we have many like cars here on our road, and sometimes dogs they not very smart and they just run like on the street. Yeah. So okay, we just want him safe. He's
Yeah.
our dog. He's good puppy. Yeah.
What do you think about like your birthday? Now you're 30 years.
Yes, I am officially trentahin. So we call here in the Philippines trentahin, like 30s.
Yeah.
Trenta, it's 30. I feel okay. Back pains here and there, but I still feel like the same. What is it like?
Age.
Same Darlene, like
Same Darlene.
yeah, like 10 years ago, 5 years ago.
Yeah.
And after I married Boris, like I feel that days like and years like passing by like very very fast. Time flies very fast when you're happy. So I think that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm very happy too.
Oh. And now I am going to make our icing for our cake. It looks like this, like wax. So we're just going to use like half. Okay. Looks nice. Okay, look, Hitachi. This is my first time making an icing for cake. Now we don't have electricity. Ah,
Maybe we try
No.
EcoFlow.
EcoFlow?
Yeah. Okay, we will try.
Wow. We're back.
Oh, it's warm.
Yeah. That's good. So our cake has cooled down. Uy. It's beautiful. Wow. It has a little bit of cracks, but that's okay. Okay. That's good. Like this, love?
Yeah.
I need better tools for baking. And we didn't put like color.
It's okay.
I thought we will put like green. So I'm working with headlamp. Ah,
Ой. Села батарейка.
I'm not very lucky today.
Не работает.
Ah,
Да, надо
no.
заряжать.
Aw. Hmm.
Он работает, но недолго. Надо
Недолго.
зарядить.
Hmm. Looks cute.
Ага.
You see?
Да, очень милый.
Not very perfect,
Perfect.
but this is the first time. It's my first cake.
Like so.
Yeah. I made before like a chocolate cake without this icing. This is so much harder.
Yeah,
Yeah. But it's cute.
cute.
It's rough around the edges, but I'm still proud of myself.
Me too.
And we still have cream. We can eat it.
Put it in other
Yeah.
cup.
Put it in cup. Put it in refrigerator.
Yeah.
And this we will put in fridge too. And I'm all in icing. I need to clean here.
Ага. Заряжается, отлично. Так. This is our dinner. We made barbecue. We have rice, salad, and we also have wine. What we specially bought for this celebration 1 month ago, maybe. Yeah, and we put it and wait. So we will eat. Congratulations, my love. I wish you, and I think all subscribers wish you happiness, love, and everything. Many happiness. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
And I will try make it true.
Here's to that.
Терпкая.
Thank you. So this is the next day again, and we decided to eat this cake today because it's tastier when it's cold, and Boris said that it's better when it's like to stay in the refrigerator. Yeah,
Yeah.
and it looks okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We will try.
we will try it. So, 30 years old, and I make a wish.
Yeah.
I wish for longer life and health, wealth for me and Boris, and to all of us. Yeah. Okay, try.
Okay, try.
Yeah.
Tasty. Вкусный. Darlene, молодец.
Like new wedding couple. Ay, newlyweds. And that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for accompanying us in this adventure. Yeah. We are so glad that you're with us, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.